Hey, I'm Supats, lifelong solopreneur. Now living my life with only one passion to help solopreneurs to launch their digital products on fast track so that they can be profitable as fast as within 1 week, and they want to scale, they can join the membership. And as a bonus, I show them how they can sell their digital products all over the world using affiliates. Without further delay, let's get started. Excited to share sales strategy, business strategy every day, every weekday. Just excited. How many of you were there yesterday? Yesterday I shared a story of billion-dollar toy company who went from bankruptcy to $1 billion just using collaboration and changing few strategies over here. And if they can do it, of course, we as a solopreneur, entrepreneur, small business owners, even we can do it. And yeah, if you missed that, please go back and check yesterday's live. And yeah, your business will be transformed. Today I'm going to talk only about one simple question. It is going to be really, yeah, it is really simple and exciting, and still it will be really helpful to grow your business. It is really helpful to grow your business. So that is my idea to every day, every weekday come and give you the tips that can help you grow your business with ease. And so, how can you step into the spotlight? How one simple question can transform your networking game? I have a podcast called New Beginning Inspiration for You, and I have interviewed many six-figure, seven-figure earners, and I asked them question that, okay, if you start your business from scratch now, what is the one thing you would change that you didn't do before, and what's the one thing you would start doing immediately? Yeah, and almost everyone told me that I would start doing networking before my offers are ready, before my business is ready, because when my offers are ready, when my business is ready, I have my audience is ready. And that was almost everybody's mistake, that they started networking after their offers were ready. So if you are just now thinking of starting a business, or you are in the really beginning stage, networking is crucial. So start doing networking. And now here we are going to discuss today how you can up level your networking. So first of all, start your networking, and here I will tell you how to up level your networking. And if you missed out on my previous training, in my previous training I mentioned that many solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, they always say that, oh, they don't have time for workout, or they don't have time for any physical activity. And many solopreneurs, when they quit their 40 hours job, they end up working 80 hours for their business. And that is really easy way to go for burnout. So here today I am doing the presentation, and I'm walking on the treadmill mainly to show you that, hey, if you are attending a meeting or if you are doing a presentation, surely you can add your steps while doing your other work, because there are two things here I'm doing. I'm actively presenting the presentation, and the steps I'm taking passively. I really don't need to think too much while taking steps, because my treadmill is going on really so slow speed. And hey, I have been walking for so many years, so I really don't have to put my thought over there. So I want to tell you that if you have a concern that you are not getting enough physical activity because your business is taking so much of time, and yeah, means energy in your life, then how you can bring back physical activity and energy into your life. So I have interviewed people, yeah, in on my podcast, and they were on treadmill, and while I was interviewing them. And many times my meetings I always take standing instead of sitting. So actually, sitting is a silent killer. That is also the research showed. So I'm just telling you, as a solopreneur, take care of your health, because Steve Jobs, his last write up, he has written that I can trade everything except the sick bed. So here our approach is holistic. Take care of your health. So I'm showing you by example. So I'm not just telling you, okay, you can do your presentations while you are on the treadmill. I'm here showing you by example. And hey, next on, that is my goal, to have every presentation done on the treadmill, because any chance, anyway, if I can motivate you and I can inspire you, I want to grab hold of it. So without further delay, let's get started. So imagine this: you are at a bustling networking event surrounded by ambitious entrepreneurs, and you see a group engaged in animated conversation. You want to join them, but the fear of rejection holds you back. Sounds familiar? Yeah, I think almost everyone goes through that, right? As solopreneurs and small business owners, we often face the challenge of isolation. Isolation is, it's so hurting. And in Blue Zone, that was one of the factors they mentioned, that people who live long and healthy life, they have community and they always engage with each other, they help each other, and so they have fun in their lives. So better not to be isolated. So we work hard, but sometimes it feels like we are on the outside looking in, waiting for opportunities to come to us. What if I told you that one simple question could change that dynamic forever? Yeah, so without going further into delay of yeah, without further going, yeah, into our strategy, first I want to tell you my background and why I'm addressing this point. Okay, so if you're joining me for the first time, I just want to give you a little bit about my background and just want to tell you why I'm talking about this, because I was in your shoes. I walked the path of a solo entrepreneur who had no sales, no partnerships, plenty of questions. Over time, by teaming up with the right people and staying focused, I turned a small idea into dependable stream of daily income. That hard-earned experience is why I know help fellow entrepreneurs start their e-commerce business, create digital assets, and profit consistently with affiliates. So at newbeginning.com, we are committed to supporting entrepreneurs at every critical stage of their digital business, launching, scaling, and selling. And it is so critical, because if you have successful launch, what after that? Yeah, you need to scale your business. And I worked with many solopreneurs, entrepreneurs. They have passion about their business, but still they are unsure about sales and marketing, because that area might be still daunting to them. So that's why we are taking care of that area too, that we have army of affiliates all over the world in more than 200 countries who are willing to sell your digital products, yeah, globally, for nominal commission, and so that you can spend your time focusing what you love to do. So I share my programs like launch your digital dream in a week or less and sell your digital products with ease of collaborations. My team and I are dedicated to helping entrepreneurs achieve profitability quickly while selling digital products. Yeah, when I started digital business, I was doing research, and the things I found were, they said that uh, in digital business you will see real money in the third year. Many solopreneurs quit their business before launching their first products. Many entrepreneurs don't see second year in their business. Those who see second year don't see fifth year in the business. So I wanted to reverse that trend. And that's why all the offers are tailored to give the quick revenue to solopreneurs and entrepreneurs, so that they don't have to suffer their initial stages of business. by lacking revenue. So when you work with us, you are joining a supportive community where every step leads to practical results. And the main steps of launching, scaling, and selling are covered. So it's not like that we are providing help only in one area. And hey, I have free community and paid community. So you can join any community, still you will have that help available. Yeah. What we offer: launch your digital dream in a week or less. This program guides you in creating digital offers that people truly want. Our Biz in a Box setup enables you to quickly launch and sell your digital products with resources like sales pages. Yeah, completely ready-made sales pages. If you go outside and want a sales page done, it costs minimum $500. We are giving you in business in a box. And complete marketing funnels, you will be on the fast track to selling your digital products. And we have case studies where people made 4K in their first week of the business. You will discover how to package your expertise, whether you are interested in listing items on top platforms for selling digital products or exploring other sales avenues like Shopify, Etsy. There are many platforms, Gumroad and all. Plus, we offer a comprehensive AI upgrade option if you need it. Yeah, the comprehensive AI upgrade is amazing, where your CRM is covered, where AI will generate your social media post for 1 month in just few minutes. Just few minutes, images will be generated. Yeah, you can automate your business. You can create chatbots. There are lots of things, and they are really at a nominal price. You will have that AI upgrade option. Sell your digitals with collaboration. So if you are ready to scale, we will show you how thoughtful collaborations transform sales and reach. Dive into effective partnership strategies that propel your products to audiences you would never reach alone. Yeah, it's the prudent idea. It is the best idea to borrow other people's audiences so that you can save your hard earned money, and you don't have to invest into expensive strategies like ads. And I'm not against ads. Ads are good if you have a steady income coming in, because otherwise they will drain your money really on fast track. And at the beginning stage of solopreneurship or entrepreneurship, many people don't have that much of money lying around to invest into ads. So that's why the collaboration is a great strategy. And yesterday I mentioned that how, yeah, Lego, the toy company, went into billions, from bankruptcy to billions, just using collaboration. So you can do the same, why not? New Beginning Success Collaboration Mastermind. Get the support you need for ongoing growth. In the Success Collaboration, you will tap into group insights, discover how e commerce can make money for you long term with ease of collaborations, and brainstorm the best side hustles for 2025. So, now it is the main question: the power of can I join you? You are into networking, and networking can open so many avenues for you, but those avenues will be open for you only if you are open. You are open for various avenues and you are open minded. And the best question to ask is, can I join you? This phrase is more than just a question, it's a door opener. It invites connections, collaboration, and opportunity. Here is how it can address your pain points. Combat isolation. By asking to join others, you break the ice and create meaningful connections. Create opportunities. Engaging with others leads to new partnerships, clients, and collaborations. Yeah, I am talking a lot about collaborations, but it is a great strategy. Build confidence. Yeah, the more you ask this question, you are becoming more comfortable in networking. And that transforms your mindsets, gives you better idea, better mindset for growing your business by doing thoughtful networking. Let's look at the real success stories. Maria's networking triumph. Maria, a freelance graphic designer, felt hesitant to approach groups at events. One day she mustered the courage to ask, "Can I join you?" at a local conference. This led to a collaboration with two other creatives, resulting in a joint project that boosted her visibility and income. Yeah, there are many success stories. Now, I want to hear your success story. I'll be giving you pointers every day. I want you to implement those and I want you to share your success stories with me, okay? James public speaking breakthrough. James, actually, public speaking, I just wanted to tell you, people are more scared of public speaking than death. Yeah, public speaking is the highest paid profession, but it is the highest fear profession. Means people who are looking to do public speaking, actually they are scared of public speaking and they prefer to die than yeah, talking publicly. And hey, it's I also experienced that because English is my third language. I have a heavy accent. I didn't want to talk in front of people, but many of you know my story that I had a near to death experience, and when I received bonus life in my, yeah, so in my life, I just wanted to devote my life for solopreneur success. So I started blogging. My blogs got lots of traction. People say, "We love your blogs, but we don't have time to read your blogs. Why don't you start podcast? Why don't you start YouTube channel?" And those were the last things on my mind because I didn't want to talk. I didn't want to talk because I loved to write and people were enjoying my writing. So I say, okay, I'll just go ahead and write and I'll provide them free resources. People are happy, I am happy. And then they wanted me to have podcast. I started my podcasting channel just in one day because I say, if they want it, I will do it. If I can add value to other people's life, I'll just do that. And I started and I'm still working on it. I'm still becoming better. I'm trying to slow down because I talk really fast. I hope you understand me. If you don't understand me, let me know. I will provide you the slides of my presentation so that you can go through the data what I presented. So we have various options. So I also face the same fear, but hey, just because my audience wanted me to have podcast or my audience wanted me to have YouTube channel, I started that because we are in the business to serve our audience. We are not in the business to serve our ego. We are not in this any business to serve our fear. So that's how it worked for me and now I'm enjoying it, and I hope you understand me too. So let's know about James' story. James, a digital marketing consultant, had always wanted to speak at industry panels but feared rejection because, hey, many times you see, oh, look at that panel, means everyone is so accomplished, everyone is millionaire, and I'm just making in six digits. So whether I'll be qualified, whether they will select me. So, and many times these questions are not to the people who choose the panelist. These are the questions you are asking yourself. So James actually after asking, if you are looking for another panelist, can I join you? And if you ask at a summit, many times they are looking for panelists. So hey, he was invited to participate in a summit. This exposure significantly increased his client base. because summits are really good because uh, in person or even virtual, they they can yep, they can put you in front of hundreds and thousands of people at one shot. Yeah, it will take a long time for you to reach them personally. Plus, they are seeing you either on the virtual screen or in person. So there is a no like and trust factor immediately created, which can take long time on social media. And that helped him a lot. Linda's lunch networking. At a retreat, Linda noticed a group discussing innovative strategies and she asked, "Can I join you for lunch?" So, anyway, she was sitting at other table and she said, "I'm sorry, I'm eavesdropping, but it sounds very interesting and I think we have common audience. We can help each other out." And this simple question led to brainstorming sessions, new friendships, and a partnership that doubled her sales. Now, in her case, now just see, in her case, or James' case, or Maria's case, any case, because they asked the question, they got the positive answer. If they hadn't asked the question, the default answer is no. And here also, they got the positive answers. And most of the time, you will get positive answer if you ask the question this way. But if there was a chance of them getting answer no also, because for when any question there is a yes or no option is there. But remember, if you never ask the question, the default answer is no. So why not to take a chance and ask the question, right? Take action. So this is your weekly challenge. This is your homework. Take action. So when you are actively networking anywhere, virtually or in person, make sure to ask, "Can I join you?" This week, I challenge you to step out of your comfort zone and use the phrase, "Can I join you?" Comfort zone is a killer zone, means basically when you get out of comfort zone, you will experience the growth. And that's why it's really bad to be in comfort zone. Do you know a story of frogs, how they got boiled? Frogs were put in water and the water temperature was increased little bit and the frogs thought, oh, they are in jacuzzi, they are having a ball. And then the temperature increased and hey, the frogs got killed. I'm just giving you that example. But comfort zone means if you stay in comfort zone, you will never grow. And I'll tell you my example. So when I started a business, every day I got up and I started with the tasks I was doing comfortable, like or the task which I like to do or love to do. And I didn't think much whether these tasks are important or urgent or are they high priority. I just did because I was comfortable doing those things. I didn't have to learn anything new. I knew that area, so I just kept on doing, like create templates on Canva, create some social media post and all. I'm not saying those are bad, but were the high priority tasks on my list? Mostly not. And then at the end of the day, hey, everyone has limited amount of time, right? At the end of the day, whenever I retrospected my day, I felt so horrible because I didn't achieve anything that day because I just kept on doing the things I was comfortable at. And then I said, okay, this way it's not going to work. So then I started making the list of high priority things, made a list of three or five things which are really high priority. And then from that also, I again itemize them according to the highest priority thing on the top. And then once that is tackled, then go to the second one. Many times you may not even finish your list, but at the end of the day, you see that you have worked on the highest priority task in your list, and that helps a lot. You will feel productive, you feel you achieved something. So comfort zone, just get out of comfort zone. Just get out of comfort zone and ask, can I join you? In at least one situation. This is the homework I'm giving you. This is the challenge I'm giving you for this week. Network actively. Engage with potential customers, collaborators, and mentors. Follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up. After your interaction, send a thank you note or message to those people who included you, who were the first one to give you chance. Please do that. If you are interested in joining our free AI lab session, let us know. For limited time, we are having free AI lab sessions and where there are experts in AI, and they take one project every time, and then they show you how they are working on that project, and you can actively participate, you can actively ask questions, and these experts will guide you. And of course, whatever work they are giving, they will share their prompts and all. It's a free AI lab, so we host regular live sessions where you can ask questions and gain insights from experts. There are many tasks they achieve during these AI labs. So if you want to join and want to learn for free, otherwise, there are so many AI related courses available. They charge fortune. Here we are providing all these courses, live help for free. But it is invitation only. We just don't want to make it accessible to everyone. We just want to make sure that you are qualified and you are really interested in AI lab. So join us. Selling digital products made simple. Building a thriving online venture doesn't have to be overwhelming. Our approach shows you where you can find the best platform to sell digital products and how to earn money fast without cutting corners. If you have been curious about our Master Resell Right course, that is the Biz in a Box, or the best place to sell digital downloads, our resources can guide you in the right direction. You are in the right place. And let me tell you a little bit about Master Resell Right course. This is the package. It has 8 courses which you can start selling immediately. It comes with marketing funnels and emails, and we also added the social media posts and reels and faceless reels and sales pages, everything, you name it, everything is there. So you don't have to wait for months and years to launch your business. You can launch your business in a week with a done with you option. But if you want done for you option, you can launch within a day. And they are ready to sell, because I saw people spending years and years in generating their first e-course. So that was actually, time is so precious, because you cannot recreate the time. If you lose money, you can make money, but if you lose time, you cannot recreate the time. So this offer is there for people who are really time crunched. And these courses can be sold immediately just like that. But if you want to put your branding, if you want to put your magic, yes, then these courses can be sold that way also, because then you can add your branding, you can add your bonuses, you can add your extra modules. That option is also available. And we provide lots of help. Means if you like, we have actually special webinar, special bonus if you join during, because of our webinar promotion, we give you access to our new beginning success collaboration mastermind, where you will scale your business if you take our help properly, especially if you follow the our monthly goal and action plan template. Every month end we set goals for next month. So we retrospect the previous month and we focus on the next month, and we just see what can we do. And if you are accountable to yourself or even to the community, you will move the needle. And the case studies show that you can add extra digit in your revenue if you follow this monthly goal and action plan template. Now claim your gifts. You are attending this live webinar or your presentation. Yeah, you are qualified to get gift worth of $600. How to redeem that gift? Go to www.newbeginning.com for details on how to redeem. Again, for limited time, we have this free AI lab. So we host morning AI lab at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on weekdays. So if you are interested, let us know and we'll send you direct invite. As I said, this is by invitation only. Implement the strategies. Applied knowledge is good, because if you just get knowledge and if you don't apply it, is just not, it will lead to knowledge constipation. You don't want knowledge constipation, right? The tips and tactics from our programs are designed for immediate results. Start putting them into practice to see changes in your business right away. Connect our community. Surround yourself with like minded entrepreneurs on the same journey. Together, we transform everyday hurdles into chances for progress. And community, when I say I have free community and paid community, the free community joint venture collaboration groups on Facebook, and even Max 3R group, where there are already hundreds of entrepreneurs who are looking to collaborate, who are looking to help. And I have a free course called 27 Ways to Collaborate. So if you want to know how to collaborate, you can get that course. So together we transform everyday hurdles into chances for progress. And paid community, it is New Beginning Success Collaboration. The only difference is that there we have a weekly live meetings where experts will be there to help you and guide you and navigate you through the challenges. For more tips and resources that millionaires use to scale their businesses, check www.new spelled nu beginning.com. If you want to know more, yeah, there is a website over there. You can just look in the link in the bio or in my profile. And we are here to help you tackle challenges in selling digital products and expanding your reach globally. Remember, the only way to be included is to speak up. You are already accomplished so much as an entrepreneur. Now it is time to put yourself out there and seize the opportunities waiting for you. Are you ready? So let us take that bold step together and ask to join in. And thank you and God bless you. We really want to help you, and any way we can help you grow your business, let us know. Join our free community, start taking our help for free. And if everything resonates with you, of course, and if you want more help, extra help, join our paid community. It's totally up to you, but resources are available, people are willing to collaborate. No, it's up to you to use them. Okay, thank you and see you tomorrow with another great sales strategy that will move the needle in your business. Thank you and God bless you. Hey, thanks for joining us. We are blessed to have you as part of our community, and whatever way we can help you, serve you, let us know. Please subscribe and let us know how we can help you, what resources you want. We have lots of free resources and also free collaboration joint venture groups you can join and explode your business, because most solopreneurs quit their business before they launch their first products, and I don't want that to happen to you. And that's why we have special launch service where you can monetize your digitals and become profitable as fast as within 7 days. And if you want to scale your business, join our membership New Beginning Success Collaboration, where we'll provide you MRR and PLR products and collaborations so that you can scale your business with ease and effortlessly. And hey, if you want to sell your digitals all over the world, yes, we will provide you affiliates more than 200 countries. So everything is possible. Just live your dream, follow your dream, and Whichever way we can help you, do let us know. Thank you and God bless you.